How to use Unanet. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Unanet. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Unanet, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Unanet, it is a web-based ERP or enterprise resource planning and CRM platform designed specifically for project-driven organizations such as government contractors, architecture and engineering firms, and professional services providers, in which its mission is to simplify every stage of the project lifecycle, from initial opportunity and proposal to planning, execution, accounting, and reporting, through a single integrated system, in which Unanet offers a project management with interactive tools like Gantt chart, time and expense tracking, contract and subcontract management, resource forecasting and utilization, and many more. And now to get started, you can simply click the link in the description or click the Get Started button on the top right. By doing so, all you need to do is simply fill out all of this required information, including here your first name, your last name, and also your business email, phone number, company name, number of employees, company type, select the products, company, HQ location, and business challenges. And upon filling out all of the required information, you will now be able to start getting your own account. And you could also start purchasing some of the plan that they offer. But now I'm going to show you some of the options that you can use, or start clicking on it to see the overview of it. By under the solutions, it will show you under GovCon. This ERP and GovCon option, by clicking on it, it also refers to a specialized enterprise resource planning tailored for government contractors. So basically, this solution is built to support companies that work for government contractors and must comply with strict regulations, such as those with Defense Contract Audit Agency and Federal Acquisition Regulation. So from here, it will show you the features including the project management, contract management, sub-K management, track time and expense, and many more. And below it will show you some other thing including the features that they offer in here. So basically, the primary purpose of ERP GovCon in Unanet is to simply ensure regulatory compliance. Moving on to the CRM GovCon right here, you could also navigate this one, in which it is for customer relationship management for government contractors. Specifically, it's designed to support unique needs of companies pursuing and managing US government contracts. So it will help you to streamline interface for tracking government leads, managing pipelines, capturing proposal activities, and collaborating across BD or business development. Some of the features including the opportunity tracking, the pipeline management, GovWin IQ integration, capture management tools, proposal development tracking with task deadlines and compliance matrices. Moving on under enterprises, sub-K, or you could also navigate this enterprise subcontractor management and other option under the solutions. So all of this are just a purpose for government agencies or government contractors. Moving on to AAC solutions right here. If here it is Unanet Proposal AI, in which basically it is an artificial intelligence powered tool integrated into Unanet's ERP and CRM ecosystems, specifically designed to help government contractors and project-driven businesses streamline and accelerate the proposal development process. So it will show you some of the key capabilities and features it offers. And right here, it will show you on the right side panel the overview of what it looks like or the interface of it. Now moving on, aside from those solutions, you could also navigate the industries below. In we have here government contracting, as I said earlier, architecture, engineering, and many more, in which it will help the government contracting agencies to improve the collaboration and streamline the process, and even automate the workflows across their teams. So basically, it provides a robust all-in-one ERP solution that addresses the unique demands of firms working with federal, state, or local government agencies, in which in here in the GovCon industry, businesses must navigate strict compliance standards such as TCAA regulations, manage complex project life cycles, track indirect costs, and many more. While under this architecture, by simply clicking on it, it will show you that in this industry, profitability hinges on effectively managing time, budgets, resources, and client relationships across complex multi-phase projects. And Unanet addresses these challenges by offering tools that integrate project planning, time and expense tracking, financial management, and client management. You'd also navigate this engineering and also the construction as part of the Unanet serves. Well, if you're looking for any resources to look for, you can go to these resources and click these articles, in which it will show you some of the resources that you can gather and read, in which it serves as a comprehensive knowledge based on entries that provide users with valuable information, guidance, and best practices related to using the platform. And you could also sign up by entering your email address in here in order to be navigating or have a notification about some of the articles that are related to your purpose of using this Unanet, in which all of these are accessible through Unanet support portal. Moving on, aside from that, under resources, you could also navigate this webinar to join, in which there are regularly conducted online learning session designed to educate users, prospects, and partners about the platform. So we have here this first webinar. By clicking on it, you'll be directed on LinkedIn, where you can start filling out the required information to join to their webinar, and it will show you their schedule in here, in which this webinar typically cover a wide range of topics, including in-depth training on ERP and CRM functionalities. Moving on, aside from that, you could also navigate this customer experience. If you want to have other concern, you can go to their support team, in which you can start asking your inquiries or your question regarding of using Unanet in here. But now under integration, it will show you some other featured integrations it offer with here new Aparis, ADP, American Express, Argus, and many more. And you could also search here by navigating in this collection section and categorize it depending on your preferences or the purpose that you want it to be. So basically, it will show you in here all of the integration that you could navigate also and integrate, in which by clicking any of this integration, it will show you the overview of each of this integration platform, and also you can contact them. For example, this one, by clicking on it, we can start contacting them, and below it will show us the details about it. You could also visit the website in order to see if it is legitimate or not. So basically, all of this integration offer a design to streamline workflows and ensure data consistency across project-based organizations. Moving on again to our solutions, you could also navigate this ERP AE, in which it is specifically designed to help these firms manage, such as the architecture and engineering, to manage every aspect of their project lifecycle, from opportunity tracking and project planning to time expense management. And by clicking the button Talk to an Expert, you can simply connect with a Unanet expert and avail the services if you need one. You can navigate the prospects on the left side panel, the resources, time and expense, offers, feature, accounting and financials, reporting, and many more. So basically, all you need to do is simply click the Get Started button to start having the demo account, in which Unanet offers an all-in-one project-centered ERP and CRM solution and platform that empowers project-based firms with clarity, control, and compliance, in which by uniting operations, time, projects, contracts, resources, finances, and analytics into a single system, it helps the organization improve efficiency, scalability, and improve or drive the profitable growth. But overall, that is just basically how you can use Unanet. Thank you.